Kani kedai kedodashan Meghalaya bat ngipidang sobhaya pi baro sya katup kubor minta ke janmit. Shwaban pai syaki kubor ki babnia nyepet shwa yakimat bakongsan. Penpa UMP Ketura berduna nong trei ha office NCST Shillong, dawa ban penbon nong trei no Mardor, hadin ban nangjur ki jing e ki pat riulum. Ajing hikai ke Meghalaya Judicial Academy yaki nong bishar halor ke jingma na ke Cybercrime maham uba thangkyo yaki kam boman ki bom don put don sam. Kem ki pulet NANTF Meghalaya ya unong kayidrok ha umpling lumding met yok kurup RPR point pralai kram udrok heroin. Bamsmai u Justice Surya Khan tukum unong bishar hakli du uba sanplai jong kari India. But, klat no uting shop ba paunam u Dharmendra hakerta ba prap khandai penpau u menteri rang badu kari u Narendra Modi yaki kubor ngolem. Mentang inya paishwa shaki kubor na kejela. UMP Ketura usaleng sangma Henen kasngi ulalet jurip ya ke Regional Office jong ke National Commission for Scheduled Tribe ha nongba Shillong bat ula penpau ya ke jingsngo kendet jong u badan tang arngut ki nong trei bat uwei upion watla ke jingsha ban ben ki pat riulum kala nangjur ha ke than syate lam mingi. Daka baong ba kani kalong ke bom la pediang satya uni UMP ke Kongres ulaong ba ki nong trei ki dei ban biang ha kani ke office. Hakaba ula bendra bru ba unsa ledra ya kani kamat sya ka sarkar pedeng bat sya ka office NCST ban pentikna ba ka pendep hok ya ki kamram jongka na ka benta kani kathan.
Why there is only 3 staff, whereas this is the headquarter for the northeastern region. In whole India, the entire India, there is only 6 NCST AC office. I don't know why they're trying to hide. They were supposed to protect the tribal and the scheduled tribe and the scheduled caste. But what is the reason behind this particular situation, particular area, why they are not concentrating? And then look at the staff also. The staff they have put in, whereas the full strength of that particular ST commission should have been more than 12. But only 3. One is contractual. Imagine that one. Why our northeastern region has been neglected so much, I don't know. I think we have to raise this. I will definitely be raising this particular issue with the ST committee also. And again, I will definitely and I have already told and I have already raised in my committee itself. And definitely I will take up this matter with the government of India.
Nakadawom don MLA ni MP ki ba mikmat ya kaseng Congress hapo jala Meghalaya kaseng Congress ka penlet jingmut pura ha ka election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka ban salong shen UMP Ketura usaleng sangma ulaong ba kaseng kan omdo AA ruem bat ban aireng ha kani ka election da ka jingshida ha ka ba kenra ya ka jingshisha khmat ki pat ba ka rilum Garo Ula bendra bru ba ka election ke jela Bihar kan kta AA ruem ya ka election GHADC namar ba kimat ki bakongsan jong ka rilum Garo ki apher bak lebak.
I'm representing the people of the Garo Hills as well as the Meghalaya. But again, when you talk about the slow pace, again it's the people only who will decide. That's why, since we have got nothing to lose, we will make sure that we show the truth to the people, what is happening within the state of our Meghalaya. We will definitely talk about the drugs. We will definitely talk about how our culture, how our only institution which is safeguarding the people from, people like Sikh schedule and all are being infringed by the panchayat system and and then our land are being, forcibly taken away from the public, taken away from the people, and then all the rights which were supposed to be given by the autonomous are being seized by the government. So that way are being infringed by the government. That way that our culture is at the brink of the collapse. If that things is not safeguarded by our own people, no party, no individual, no leader can safeguard our future. You see, we have got these autonomous district councils to safeguard our cultures, to safeguard our indigenous tribe, our our institutions, whatever we have, our community.
Ka Meghalaya State Judicial Academy dakaba yatray lang bat ka 14C kala penlong ya ka jing ai jing kai halor ka pang cybercrime and the court nakabenta ki he katana judicial hapo ka yeng bishar ka jela haba ai jing kren ha ka ni ka sngi unong bishar uba HS thangkhiu ula maham ba ka jing ni state ki kor ki bor ki bathmai kala penlong ya ki kam be an ba ken om don shu upot usam bat kham jwat ru ban lap sai da ka ba pen pau ya ga jingja AI voice scam ka ba dangshen hanong ba shilong ha ka ba we umuktiar ula sha thok pisa hadu khandai pho hajar tingka ki riu shampang unishik dixit bat Deepak Kumar kila batai halor ka an cyber ki 14C tool ki kambe an ki bathmai bat kumno ban pinya ya ki sabut electronic.
Now technology is integral part. We have become safe with this technology. You shop online, you bank online, you work online, and so with all these comes these challenges that we have. And not only to repeat that crimes now have taken a total different dimension. They don't require physical presence. It's transnational. Victims are in multiple jurisdictions. No tangible evidence, such as eyewitnesses, etc. And the tools that we use to detect these traditional crimes, that is where you all come in. The tools that are used by the law enforcement agencies and by the courts to address or to try traditional crimes. Now, with this technology, they have become ineffective.
Hadien balayo jingtip na kilat sentiak kakin hon ANTF Meghalaya hakamiet sngi ublay kalakemno ya upinsngan karkungor jongkadong lomding met umpling shillong kadba udang don halinti banlet penpoy ya udrok sha way unong thiet kipulit kilabat no ya u ha umpling lomding met hakapor ba ula shong dagakali swift desire kabali hakaba ki he pulit hadien ba kila bot tek patek ya ki kendon kila kurup no artli ki senduk tep sabon ki badon ya arpoar point pralai kram udrong ukhar kungor ula syakem no bad la yalam no ru ya u sharinja police station kipulit kila kurup no ya udrok bad ya kakali bad la pengat ru ya u hapo ki kendon an NDPS. Kaseng Khasi Students Union West Khasi Hills District Unit menta kasngi kala penlong ya ka jingkandra persya ya ki nongbela barjela ha ka shdong maurang ha Eastern West Khasi Hills ha ka ni ka jinglet jurep jongki kaseng kala lap ya arngot ki nongbela barjela ki bomdon ya ki kot kisla ki babyang hakmat urang ba shnong kaseng KSU kala aipor apusau kenta ya u kontraktor ban wengno ya kini kinong bala bat ban pat ru ya ki shashnong jongki kani kaseng kala kintu ru ya ki bor shnong bakin long barabor ki bausiar bat nyada ya ka jingwan rung ki briu ki ban nabar ki bom don ya ki kot kisla ki babyang lani ki bom shem la yo jingbet satya. Kisamla pulian jong ka skul ba Mahatma Gandhi University bernihan menda kasngi kila penpau ya ka jingsngo baha jongki na ka benta ki pulit karib hoy ki bala trai shitom ban pentre kam ya ki anya kali bat bante lakam ya ki kam bean ban pentikna ya ka jingsngan upat ba kisamla puli kila ong ba ka jing shakri klem shong that jongki pulit kala no senyang shik day ha ka ban penne ya ka sup kasan ha ka ne ka district kisamla puli kila yasno ktilang ru bat ki pulit ha ka ban pinyat ya ki kali hanong po bat hadien kila shim bentaru ha ka program AI jing program AI jingtip ha nongpo police station ha kabala batai syai halor ki kindon ki bakongsan jongkaan Motor Vehicles Act. Kini kasngi kalakut no da ka jing perta jam jong ki samla puli kabala perta slam pulet riboy.
Kajing yonong kajongi kabang iwan taksi kadai kaba nitip ya kirul ki an entah ya ki section ki bakar abidai barki traffic kumha kini kisi ngilo iba nagaliang jong ka riboy police department hi kalami sakaman berlek ya kababahatam na banta kinolek nongwan uju ya kipat ba nong sungsunong hi brokowe.
Usually we all know like how the traffics work, we know how to cross the road usually, but doing it practically it was very rare chance. We don't get this chance usually, but because of our Meghalaya police, we got this chance, especially Nongpo police. We got this wonderful chance for like doing it practically, like to know like something like deeply better. So very thankful, and it was very beneficial to know like how the traffic works, how tough is the work like for traffic police also, how tiring, how they are working so hard for us.
Wak ruban ai kudai ya SSP sa balak penyat ya ka traffic menta kisi hila banyu iba ki jing accident ru kila kam tuna ha liang ka traffic nama ka jing trace tong jong ka team jong ka police nongpo te ka jing ya ka bakila ai ka long ka siguan bangim na so ban long kumno ban ai kudai ki
Kiriti Dustur Nadu Kipor Kulong Kuma Jong Kirat Marngar Kila KM Biang Hakasngi Ublay Hadien Ba Karat Baro Kawe Kalaya Lumlang Na Kabinta Kale Niam Le Rukom Kabakintang Yakaba Laju Penlong Tang Chisien Manla Kasan Snem Tunginya Ngap Yaki Kubor Kibabnia Halor Kale Niam Le Rukom Khasi Hungry Kabadai Kiriti Dustur Nadu Kipor Hindai Hintai Kabayai Beteng Ban Le Bansa Hadu kani kejuk mentah.
Usiem karat marngar ringkat bat kador barat kebaha papo kahima meliem ulai lamnya kali niam le rukom Khasi Hungry kawe nak le niam le rukom kabarim tam ya kabadang penek pensa ha kani kathan. Kali niam le rukom kelas dang ningkong ning sharp na ying sat ha kaba usiem kinong yalam kur bat kinong tem nong tit ya kiksing kidha tenrai kila terwa ya kadua ya kapirat na kabenta kasuk kasain bat kapahu pahai. Hadian kani la penlong ya kajingat patba shaling hakaba jong kas iem sat hakaba ulong san pator bat unong mikmat nakajat siem kila ot ya khandai telik ya kijingtang kaba kibakentang kabadairu kadak bansdang ot ya ukuba kadbaki kising kidha kidang sawa hakeleng kisaudong sakun kapentha kaba kipatba klesnok tilang ban ot ya ukuba balabut pat hadian da kajingshat tenrai na barok kikur Kadkum kiriti ki dustur ki kinthei kimjue shimenta ha kani kale niam le rukom kabakarpang kani kasngi kala khring ye kinong song shnong bat kinong wan jngo kai ki banajan banajangai ru kumju ban rakhe kiriti ki dustur kabale labun pateng paket
kani ka niam le rukom jangka Khasi Hungry kepada jangka right marngar kabar sisin sansnem kade ke penthar jangka kasimsan kade ke dustur ki balabu ladu kelongsa manusia baki kun ki hajar bara gede ban mi rente ban ya simbenta ban pendep haku juga sungai ban ot kuba ba kedai ke benta ki bala bu da kilong sya mansya mat ki sinrang kila ban simbenta bon naner andre ki kintai ta kinamla ban yang simbenta ban ot kuba kata kedai ka riti ke dustur Khasi Hungry ki bala bu da kilong sya mansya namun ta ban bahawan miat ikun ki hajar kari karai kait kahima makham kerpang ai nam taka kasim sat ke ban bet ban biang kasat sunan bo karai kan so ban mi na ying napa ying sat gadan kasui kasar gadan kaksing kadha kangu kadem gadan ku kerpat kerpan na banta ke kiksing kinha dan dal adep untuk kaksing katem kebut hantai khandai teli dal adep tem ada putih kita kandai sur kilong rengkat bat kilongsan mansan rengkat bat kedulia datar sobai sosla baro kinwan na sa pentar ban od ya kaneka kubah nam ta kasimsa ta kade kabale kabala abu kilongsan mansa sin san snam
Kini gidi kijingja bom cukham yo ikot ha kabaya de bat kaspa kerhai jong ka kolshor ka jilla Meghalaya ha kaba kariti dustur ka imlang saalang bat ka jinglong mensim kiai beteng banyai rengkat-rengkat. Naga benta ki padba karat marngar ka Khasi hangri kamdei tangkale nyam le rukom ka deiru ka jing pencisha ka basai halor ka jing penne pensa ya kiriti ki dustur badang bon pateng paket. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Mentangin pa Shaki Kubor na katan Shate Lam Mingi. Menteri Sorkar Katanat Ports, Shipping but Waterways Usarba Nanda Sonowal Hinen Kasngi Ulalejngo ya ka karkhana pinmi sbo rep Hanan Rub ha Assam Dibrugarh District ban khmi benya ya ki kampin he ka bakin thup ya ka brownfield ammonia urea complex ka bakot 10,000 klur tingka Usonowal ulaong ba ya ka ni ka project la pentrekam hapo ka jingyalam jong u menteri rangba du kari bat kan yarap ban penmi khambun ki marem ban penmi shibun ki kam ki jam bat penklan ya ki karkhana ha ka than shate lam mingi Lasdang ru bante ya ka karkhana ka basaw ka bala ban penmi khatar point san lak metric ton ha ka shisnem bat khmi lenti ba on pendep hapo sansnem Ulaong ba kani ka project kan penurlong ya ka jing angnot ka than ka bala slem bat kan yarap ban penlong ya ka than shate lam mingi kum ka jaka penmi dawai sbo ka ba kongsan ha ka than shate lam mingi ka dauba Asia
Very priority sector for him. He wants Northeast to have speedy growth. For the speedy growth of Northeast, now he is creating infrastructure, connectivity, communication, all the concerned modern institution across the Northeast. So that is why now Northeast is now fastly growing. And to speed up the scale of growth, this is one of the project very important in Khasi.
U Inspector General ka BSF Tripura Frontier u Alok Kumar Chakraborty ulaong ba ka jingitray lang hapdeng ka BSF but BGB kadang klan wat hapdeng ka jinglong jingman ka ba jirwet jirwat hari Bangladesh habaya kren bat ka DD News u Chakraborty ulaong ba ka jingisam jingtip ha ka por ba biang kadang yai beteng bat kadbaya ki jingilang jong ki he nongilam la pensangye shwa ki jingilang man la kapor bat kiwe pat sange satya ula benra bru ba ka pinjur ka ya ka jingpen ya ka jingpahara ha ki jaka khaput ki bahapo ka praspa sanpun riu kilometer bat ki BSF ki la penkre pura na ka benta kino ki jingja halor ka jingke sainar ya ki khaput ula ong ba ya ki jingker ki barim la bujli no da ki jingker bathmai ki baskem ki bom la ban penpra ka bajrong sanspa sanpho kilometer ha ka ba ya ka ni ka jingterwa kadang up ya ka jing menjur ka bakhaddu na ka sarkar pedeng
despite the situation in Bangladesh BSF and BGB are maintaining the same state of very cordial and cooperative relationship with each other. And we are responding to each other's requests. We are responding to the real-time info sharing by proactive actions. As far as the meetings are concerned, there are different level of meetings. We have casual contacts. In the process, we have casual contacts. We have flag meetings. We have border meetings at the commandant level. Then we have border meetings at the higher levels like the IGLT and DGLT. So as far as the casual contact, the flag meetings and the border meetings at commandant level are concerned, there is no decline in those meetings. Those are being held regularly at every level.
Mentangin pa Shaki Kubor Nakari. Presiden Draupadi Murmu mentagasngi kala penbam smaya u Justice Surya Khan kum unong bishar bahakli du lani u Chief Justice Ubasat Pulai Jongkari India Harashtrapati Bhawan ul ashimti yagakam na u Justice BR Gawai uba la syong that no hnen kasngi. Hakani kasngi la wan shim menta da u sembot Presiden UCP Radha Krishnan u Menteri Rang Badu Jongkari u Narendra Modi u lampang ke yeng dorbau thau an Lok Sabha u Om Birla but ki Menteri Sarkar Pedeng. U Justice Soria menshua ula syakri kum unong bishar ke yeng bishar ke Punjab pat Haryana bat kum unong bishar bahak li du jong ke yeng bishar Himachal Pradesh bat lakin teo kedan ya usha ke yeng bishar bahak li du jong ke ri haus nem arajar ke kendai. Un syakri kum unong bishar bahak li du na ke benta khatsan benai lenter. Kitanat sipai duriau jongkari mentah kasngi kala penrung ya ke jahat Yapom INS Mahe kekat jahat sipai duriau ha Mumbai. Ukli do ki sipai kendo u General Upendra Dwivedi ula penya ya ke ni kasngi ha ke ba ula ong ba ke ni ke jahat Yapom ke dei ke sen jam ke ba kongsan ha ke jing persang jongkari India banshna la ki jong kitiar thma. Ya kani gajat Yapom lashna da ka Cochin Shipyard Limited da palat prapho da ka shispa kitar bala penmi hi hapo kani kari ha ka ba ka INS Mahe kan tre kum ka nongbe thong ka bajar jar ha ka phang sekni jong ku duriau kari ha ka jing kren jong u General Dwivedi ula penpau ya ka jing hartma Operation Sindur kum ka nuksa ka baklan jong ka jing ya trailang habdeng ki lightly kitanat sipai jong kari.
It's indeed a moment of immense pride and profound sense of honor to be present at the commissioning ceremony of INS Mahe, first of the 8 anti-submarine warfare shallow watercrafts being built by Cochin Shipyard Limited for the Indian Navy. Named after the historic coastal town of Mahe, a symbol of India's maritime legacy, the ship embodies the spirit of innovation and service. Her commissioning will significantly augment the Indian Navy's ability to ensure near seas dominance, strengthen the coastal security grid, and safeguard our maritime interests across the vast expanse of our littorals. Today, over 75% platforms of the Navy's capital acquisition are sourced indigenously. From warships and submarines to high sonar and weapon systems, Indian shipyards, public and private, stand as a living proof of our nation's industrial and technological dominance, a journey towards Atmanirbharta which makes every citizen swell with pride. The successful delivery of INS Mahe by Cochin Shipyard Limited stands as a shining example of excellence professionalism.
Uting shop bapau nam kari u Dharmendra ya ubala jukhat iet da u He-Man ka Bollywood. Ula klat no hakarta ka ba prap khandai snem hadien ka jingpang ka bala slem bha ka bala penkut no ya ka juk krpang ha ka cinema ka India. Da ka ba don benta ha palat lai spatli ki film ka ba kinthop ya ka shole bat ka chupke u Dharmendra ula e no shadien ya ka pateng jong u ka ba Henry Post nem denter kum uweina ki ting shop u bajab bat bala nyokor bha ha ki film Hindi. Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ula penpau ya ka jing so sik thang da ka ba ong ba ulong uting shop u papau nam u ba ka don ka jinglong ka ba shisur ba jai bat u ba la don benta ha ki film ki ba la kta shibon e ya ki pat ba jong kari. Mentangin pai syaki kubor nak keleng ke pertai. Menteri Rang Badu Jongkari Narendra Modi ulaya kendo ya ke Menteri Rang Badu Kari Italy ke Georgia Meloni hadian ke jingelang G20 ha Johannesburg ha ke ba ki laya merjengmut sani halor ban penklan shushu ya ki kai ke pateng ki kam yadari ki artificial intelligence ki kam hau bat ke puli puthi baro arngut ki nongelam ki lasdang ya ke jingetrailang hapdeng ke Kari India bat Italy ban yakun persya ya ke jing bei tingka ya ki kam leno kabala nang penklan shushu ya ke jing trei jongki banwanra ya ke suk kesan ha ke perthai kamiloni kala penpau ru ya ke mitsiem ya telilang ha ke baya dei bat ke jingjab thai bom ha Delhi bat ke krishan ru ya ke jing trei lang ke bakam jelio kum ha ke Financial Action Task Force FATF bat ke Global Counter Terrorism Forum GCTF. Hari Pakistan, ki riuking atiar bamla ban itu ki lahir thma ya ka Frontier Constabulary Headquarter hanong ba Peshawar menta kasngi. Hakaba labatheiru artili ki bom, kawai kadai ka jingpen thei bom uriu khendu ka phalor pat kawai pat kadai ka jingpen thei bom IED hajan ka jaka yang thuk bat labut pat sa ka jing siat ka ba shirkai. Na ki kubor ba la yo lum la yo jingtep ba laingot ki sipai ki la kelon yam. Arngut ki nong thombor ki la syasiat bat la syang bat la kangkerdep no ru ya kani ka len sipai. Ompat dan kanu ke kinhun ka ba lakam ya ka jingket kli ahlor kani ka jingja. Mentapan ngin pai syaki kubor ya lekai. Kakinhun ye lekai cricket jong ki kinthe ki baduna ka bor yo I ki la thau khana sa pateng hadin bakila job ya ka jinge lekai final jong ka limpong ye lekai ka baningkong jong ka women T20 World Cup na ka binta ki ba matla ha Colombo. Kakinhun ye lekai ka India ka la penliem ya ka Nepal dah hinyok wicket da ka bajet ban kawang shua ke India kala te lakam ya ke Nepal tang shis pakhat sauran badu no san wicket bat kala ra ru ban be ya ke ni thong ha ka over ka ba khat ar point iwe ha ka ba ka khula sarir ka lakamai hadu sap sauran na ki arpnyo ball shushu ka India kamshem la sharem ha baro ka we ka limpung ha ka ba kala la banjob ya ka Sri Lanka US Pakistan but Australia ka Nepal kala yo rung sya ka final hadin ba kala penrem no ya का पाकिस्तान।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन हमारा सबको टीम को बहुत प्राउड हो गया। लेकिन हम इंडिया टीम जीत के है ना, ये छोटा बात नहीं था, बड़ा बात है ये। रियली ऑल ऑफ माय टीम प्रूव इट। हम बहुत मेहनत किया, मेरा एक ही नहीं, हमारा पूरा टीम बहुत मेहनत किया। लेकिन हमारा कैबी टीम और समर्थनम सब, लेकिन स्पेशली आई थैंकफुल मानते सर, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। रियली आई प्राउड ऑफ माय टीम।
Ke India kala sya penhab lut ki wicket jong ka hadien bakala la ban kamai tang aspa Iran ha ka jingya kun ka banding kong jong ka sngi ka balai jong ka jingya le kai test ka ba ar ha Guwahati kum ka jubab ya ka South Africa ka bala kamai South pa pro kandai ran u Yashas VJ swal ula kamai ran ru ula kamai ran tambat ula yo sanpra ran ka South Africa ka bala lam khamat ya ki artli ki jingya le kai da ka wei la non kalala ban le bha shushu ha ka ni ka kinti hadien ba Umar ko Johnson ula yo ban penha ban real wicket but ai tang sabu pra ran timen tapat ngenya pe ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hakeleng ki benta jong ka jela Kajing kriat kalong kat 100 degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong up 100 degree Celsius. Kajing ngam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong henrio po na ka shispa. Haba pai pat cha kanong ba shilong kajing kriat kalong pra degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong kat khandai degree Celsius. Kajing ngam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong san khandai na ka shispa. Kat ba ha jawai pat kajing kriat kalong pra degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong khat khandai degree Celsius kajing ngam ka hau mata ka sngi kalong sanpuk saw na ka shispa kasun meneng kanrang hatura shilong bat jawai shua ban poi sha ka thup khubor shua ban poi sha ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngenya pet biang sa shi sia nya kimat bakong san Penpa UMP Ketura Budana Nong Trei ha Office NCST Shillong dawa ban penbon Nong Trei no Mador hadien banang jur ki jinge ki pat rilum. Ai jingi kai ka Meghalaya Judicial Academy ya ki Nong Bishar halor ki jingma na ka Cybercrime maham uba thangkhiu ya ki kambaman ki bomdan port don san. Kem ki pulet ANTF Meghalaya ya unong khayi drok ha umpleng lomding men yo kurep arpo point pralai kram udrok heroin Bam smai Justice Surya kan kom unong bisyar hakli dua ubasan kelai jong kari India. But Klat no uting shop bapau nam Dharmendra hakarta baprapo kendai penpa menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ya ki kubor sngolam. Ti parlok katu ngilapoi syakabakut jong ketup kubor jengi mentaga janmin hado bangenya syam yang bat pi la syai kasngi kublai ya pi baro.